Today I'm unboxing Raycon's Essential Open Earbuds and sharing my first impressions on them. And if you're curious about open earbuds and want something comfortable that doesn't block out the world around you, this is a great option to check out. And if you decide these are right for you, you can get 20% off by visiting the link in the video description below, and I'll put that on the screen as well. It's buyraycon.com/blogwithbenopen. And on that note, let's open them up and see what they could do. First, I want to thank Raycon for sending over these Essential Open Earbuds. I already own a pair of Raycon's everyday earbuds and I use them all the time, so I was genuinely excited when they reached out and asked if I wanted to check these out and share my thoughts. Alright, so let's open the box and see what we get. So first, you'll notice Raycon keeps things pretty clean and simple, which I like. As soon as you slide everything out, you're greeted with the quick start materials, so you're not digging around wondering where to begin. And this quick start guide walks you through setup and basic controls, so I highly recommend checking it out as you begin using your earbuds. Next up, there's this slim accessory box, and inside it you'll find the charging cable. It's a USB-A to USB-C cable, so charging the case is straightforward and works with pretty much any setup. Along with that, Raycon includes a small wrist strap, which is a nice little bonus, and I'll show you how to attach it to the charging case in just a bit. And speaking of that, next we get to the main event, which is the charging case and earbuds. And they're secured in this little protective insert, so let me rip that off really quick. Then my first impression of the case is that it feels solid and compact, but it has this like matte finish grip. I really like it. Feels like it would be hard to slip out of your hand. Plus it looks sleek, nice branding on the front, and non-bulky. Then on the back we have the USB-C charging port and the insert for the wrist strap. And then let's open up the charging case and take a look inside. So as soon as you flip the lid open, you'll notice a green light on the front of the case. That green light lets you know the earbuds are charged and ready to go, which is always nice to see right out of the box. And then inside the case, you could see both earbuds seated and charging. You'll also notice the small indicator lights on the earbuds themselves. If you see a blinking red and blue light on one of the earbuds, that means it's actively trying to pair. Don't worry about that just yet. We'll walk through the pairing process in just a second. Okay, then let's take one out so you can see the speaker grill along with the contact points on the inside. And those contact points line up with the charging pins in the case. And again, everything feels lightweight but solid, and the shape is clearly designed to stay secure without putting pressure inside your ear. They're also marked L and R for the left and right ear. Additionally, these have a built-in microphone for making phone calls. They're weather resistant, withstanding rain, snow, and even your sweat during workouts. And they pair with both Bluetooth devices such as iPhone and Android, which I'll show you in just a few moments. But all in all, from a first impression of just seeing and holding them for the first time, nothing about them feels awkward or oversized, and they don't give off that cheap plasticky feel either. Then real quick, let's attach the wrist strap. And I had to twist it a bit, which helped it fit in a little hole on the side of the case, and then just loop it through the other end and then pull it tight to secure it to the case. Now you could keep your earbuds on your wrist or just handle them better when you're out and about. Next, let's go over probably the most important aspect of these earbuds, how to wear them. So all you're gonna do is slide the back piece over your ear like this, letting it rest comfortably behind your ear, and then position the speaker so it sits just outside the ear canal rather than going inside your ear. And after I put these on, one thing I really appreciated about them is that not only are they lightweight and comfortable, but they also feel very secure once they're in place. There's no pressure inside the ear, no need to constantly adjust them, and they don't feel like they're gonna slip off whenever you move around. And because of that open ear design, they're especially nice if you don't like the sealed feeling of traditional earbuds, or if you want to stay aware of what's going on around you while you're listening. You almost forget you're wearing them after a few minutes, which is exactly what you want for everyday use, whether you're working, walking, or just listening casually throughout the day. Also, when you first put them on, there will be a voice guide telling you the pairing status. And if we take a look at my iPhone's Bluetooth settings, it automatically recognizes the new Raycon Essential Open Earbuds, and all I have to do is select them, and we are now paired. Then one really cool feature of these earbuds is their touch feature. As you can see here on the quick start guide, they list all the different touch functions for the earbuds. A dot is a single touch, multiple dots are multiple touches, and then a line is a longer touch, almost a hold. And all you do is tap either the left or right earbud to perform different actions. You could use the touch controls to turn the volume up or down, pause or play what you're listening to, answer or end a call, and even power the earbuds on or off without ever having to pull out your phone. The controls feel intuitive, and once you get the hang of the tap gestures, everything is quick and straightforward. Then the last thing I want to quickly show you is how to charge the case. If you recall, the charging cable that came with the earbuds is a USB-C to USB-A, so you'll first plug the USB-C side into the USB-C port on the back of the capsule, and then the USB-A side will go into whatever you're using to charge it. However, I'm using my MacBook Pro, so I had to use an adapter since I didn't have any USB-A ports on my laptop, but you could also use any USB-C to USB-C cable instead if you don't have USB-A ports. It'll still charge the case. So that wraps things up, and based on this unboxing and first impressions, the Raycon Essential Open Earbuds feel comfortable, lightweight, and thoughtfully designed. And if you're looking for an open ear option that's easy to wear and simple to use, these are definitely worth checking out. And I'll leave a link in the video description below where you can learn more about them and see the current pricing. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So that's going to do it for this video. If you found it helpful, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Also, if you're looking to start a blog, check out these 2 videos on how to build, grow, and monetize a WordPress blog. They'll walk you through the entire process step by step. And as always, your support means a great deal to me and my family, and for that, I thank you. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.